Free macro flash diffusion material. Continue watching to learn more. As many fellow macro photographers past and present, I've struggled with the issue of flash diffusion and finding a good diffusion material. Being a DIY kind of guy, I have experimented with many different diffusion materials, diffuser bills, flash units, etc. Some worked, others did not. But with the desire to always improve on my macro photos, I continually seek a better diffuser. In my search, I came across a diffusion material right in front of our eyes, so to speak. It is also available worldwide, easily acquired, and free to most people. I have your interest now. The photos shown here are the results from my stumbling on this diffusion material that is right in front of our eyes. To my eye, this diffusion material produces nice soft light and shadows while it's still producing great sharpness and definition. I made a couple of crude but effective prototype DIY diffusers shown on the left here in this image using the diffusion material. Experimented with that in a couple of different ways and different light sources to find that it does produce a very nice diffused lighting in my experience so far. Below the text of the image on your screen, you'll see that there are some examples of bare flash and the flash with diffusion material. Note the hard highlights with the bare flash on the batteries, and then compare the soft light and shadows of the photos with the diffusion material used. I hope this will help some that deal with the battle of macro photography flash diffusion. Please read and continue for the answer of what this diffusion material is. The diffusion material is right in front of our eyes, and we can't see the forest for the trees, so to speak. You know the old sayings. If you're looking at a computer monitor, TV screen, or any other LCD, LED, OLED screen, then the diffusion material is right in front of your eyes. The LCD, LED, OLED screens have diffusion layers inside to diffuse the backlight emitted from the LED arrays or tiny fluorescent bulbs inside the unit. Now we just need to find a damaged, non-working, or old computer monitor or TV and get those diffusion sheets out of it. Please be careful with this, as there are electronics involved and sharp pieces and components. Photo 1 and 2 on the image on your screen is showing that I got my diffusers out of an old 19-inch Dell monitor that had 4 back capacitors on the circuit board. Remove the outer shell from the monitor or TV and then open up the screen to gain access to the diffusers inside. All of them will be made different, so I can't tell you exactly how to get into each and every unit that you may find or come across to open up. Do note that the order the sheets are arranged and stacked in, and make a mark with a permanent marker on the side facing towards the viewer or room when looking at the monitor or TV. This outward side is the side that you will position facing towards the subject of your photo, an example of insect or plant, etc. Once you can access the layers of diffusion material, you can carefully remove them. Even though they are durable, be careful not to crease the sheets or tear them. It's for the best. Hang around to the end of this video to see more examples from this diffusion material. There should be 3 to 5 sheets in most monitors or TVs. Make a mark with a permanent marker to denote the outward side of the diffuser material. When experimenting with this material, you may have to exclude one of the layers to get the best results. Also, rotate the sheets in different ways, clockwise or counterclockwise, and see which position produces the best diffusion lighting for your preference. Experiment with the diffusion material at different distances from your light source. All flash units are not the same, so there is some variability. I hope this helps fellow photographers achieve better photos and enjoy the outdoors and the macro world even more. Thank you, and I hope you all have a great shoot and many awesome macro images. Thank you for watching, and I hope you come back to see us again soon. Don't forget to like and subscribe.